Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a review of Red Zombie's tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone XR. Now they actually make two different screen protectors. They have a full coverage one, which I have on my phone right now. It goes basically edge to edge with the screen. It also covers up the Face ID sensor and all that stuff, and it just has a cutout for the earpiece. And then I have the other one, which is the standard tempered glass screen protector, which has like little kind of U-shaped cutout that leaves the Face ID sensor open, and it doesn't go edge to edge and doesn't have the black border. But both of these options are solid, and I was very impressed as soon as I took the screen protector out of the package and put it on my phone. It has the full adhesion on the bottom, so it's not one of those just has the adhesive stuff on the edges. The whole thing sticks to your phone and it gives you solid protection, and they have a lifetime warranty, which is really nice. So if ever you break your screen protector, you can send it back in. You can pay $7.99 for shipping, and they'll send you a brand new one. So this is the full coverage screen protector, and you can see it goes all the way around from edge to edge, and it has the black border there. So I can't get close enough with my zoom, but you know, the screen on the iPhone XR doesn't go all the way to the edge of the screen like it does on the 10 and the XS and the XS Max. There's a little bit of a gap where there's a black border. Well, the nice thing about the edge to edge is it has a black border built into the screen protector, so it covers that area, and it almost makes it look like a full extension of the screen. So it's really nice. So big fan of it. I've been very happy with it today. I had an Insignia one on there, and I've talked about the Insignia ones. I didn't get a real good clean install on it when I did it this time, but also it just didn't seem as impressive as the one I had on the iPhone X and then the XS Max. So I don't know if there's been a degradation in quality since then, but I've been super happy with this one, especially good enough to go ahead and recommend it on a review. So I don't know if you can read that, but 20 years of experience in the wireless industry. These guys, they make quality products for you to put on your phone, and you get a cool Red Zombie sticker. So I wanted to go ahead and open this up, show you. They got a nice cool logo, so not White Zombie, not the Walking Dead zombies, they are Red Zombie. You can check them out on redzombie.com. So this is everything that comes in the kit. You have a little nice, conveniently packaged up kit here with a microfiber cloth and alcohol prep pad. And then you have your screen protector, 9H hardness. This is the normal screen protector. This is not the one that goes edge to edge, so it's got the cutout for the Face ID sensor. And overall, I mean, this will do perfectly fine. It'll work with a case as well. Both of them work with the case. So I've been using the Griffin Survivor Endurance case. This actually wraps around a lot on this case, on the phone, and it doesn't touch the screen protector. The screen protector stays intact, so that's really good. But they have 9H hardness. They've also been hammer tested, so I don't really know what that means, but they advertise it's been hammer tested, so I guess that means that you can hit it with the hammer and maybe it won't shatter. I don't know. But it's also smudge proof, soft touch, lifetime warranty. And one thing that I really do like about it is, even though it has all those protective qualities, it still has good feedback. So sometimes you have screen protectors that have terrible feedback on them. You touch somewhere and it doesn't precisely interact with where you touch the screen. Also, there is a loss of sensation, especially you'll notice it when you're touching things, typing, Force ID, all that good stuff. So this one works really well. And I'll go ahead and put my case on here so you can get a good feel for it. But so you can put it on a case and you don't have to worry about it popping off. And you can see it doesn't really pick up smudges either. And I did clean this with the cloth before I started, but I guess they've got some super oleophobic coating on here or something, but it's not apt to picking up the residues and stuff like that from your fingers. Smudge proof. I was very happy. I used it all day and I was like, man, this thing's still really clean. And I'm very nitpicky about my screens. I clean them all the time with the lens cleaning wipes because it drives me crazy when they get dirty. So if you're like me, you want a screen that doesn't pick up smudges. It's got great protective qualities. You get that lifetime warranty. So all you have to do is just pay the $7.99. You'll get the shipping. They'll send you another one, and then you'll be good to go back in business again. So that's pretty much it as far as the Red Zombie tempered glass screen protector goes. Again, like I said, they have the normal one, and then they have the full coverage one, which I've got on there right now. They even have a liquid one, which I'm going to test out on another phone and I'll do a review on that as well. So check them out, redzombie.com. They got some good stuff going on. The full coverage one is $39.99. It's normally $49.99, and they even have a coupon on there where you can get $10 off if you check them out. And the one that is not the full coverage is a little bit cheaper. It's $34.99 right now. So again, check them out, redzombie.com. And I think that it's a solid product. So that's all I've got. If you've got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.